let's say you came across this type of equation. Let's take a look at what we have on the whiteboard together. This is a compound given. It said the IUPAC nomenclature of the structure above is, you have the four options. Let me give you guys a clue of how you can easily name this kind of a compound. Don't panic. Majority of you will name this compound as, don't forget, you start the numbering from the double bond closer to the carbon. So we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we have longest carbon continuous chain. I want to show you guys a wrong way at which many of you name a compound like this. Some of you will number it from 1 to 5, but it is wrong. That is why in organic chemistry, as far as Jamb is concerned, they'll give you two options to test your IQ to know if you truly understand the IUPAC rules. Now, this with the number I have on the board is wrong. Don't misquote me. The numbering to this thing here is right, but the naming is wrong. Now, 2,3 dichloro 4,4,5 trimethylpentane. Option A is wrong. The correct one is this. Let me show you guys the correct one. Look at this CH3 you have here. Will interchange with this H. That is, if I'm to bring this one here, this H is coming here, because this is CH2, and CH2 cannot carry a substituent like this. It is only CH that can carry a substituent. Are you with me? But CH2 with a substituent is wrong. That is why I said you need to understand the IUPAC rule. If you observe vividly, what you have here like this, H double bond H CH3 is equivalent to CH2 CH3 is equivalent to what? This. So like this, we transcribe it to what? This. In that case, we said we are going to clean this CH3 here, rewrite the compound, put your H here, then your CH3 is here. Now, with that, let's name this compound. Now, let's give it the numbering, the numbering and the correct name. 1, 2. We can't start it from this side because the double bond here is far from this, but from here is closer to this. That is why you number it from there. And as far as organic chemistry is concerned, when you have a double bond or triple bond and you have attached functional group like alcohol, carboxylic, esters, ketone, and aldehyde, are you with me now? You always consider your numbering from that functional group, the lowest number that is attached to the functional group. The same thing is applicable to the double bond. The lowest number attached to the functional group. If you start the numbering from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's too far to the functional group. Rather, 1, 2. So we pick the lowest number. In that case, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. The longest chain is hexene. So we name it X2N because 2 is what? Yeah. So we said X2N. Now, the first value, the number attached to the substituent 2,3 dichloro. Don't forget, 2,3, we're having 2 chlorine. They give it an identical. 2,3 dichloro 4,4 dimethyl X2N. I repeat, 2,3 dichloro 4,4 dimethyl X2N. In that case, option C is the correct answer because I said 2,3, which is this, 4,4, which is this, dimethyl X2N. So guys, option C is the correct answer. This is how the question was stated earlier. You have CH3 here, you have H here, you have this, I have CH3, you have CH3, Cl, double bond, Cl, and I have this. So guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the question given to us at the beginning, but according to the rules, I have to rephrase it for us to have the correct naming. So guys, this is how the name organic compound that has a double bond or even a single covalent bond, a triple covalent bond. So guys, if you are just coming across this video, chemistry core is there to tackle any question for you. That is why I always said, if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment box. Let's